Welcome back to my channel. Stop wasting time on thick oils that never absorb. What if I told you that just a few sprays a day can unlock your hair's full growth potential? These 5 lightweight hair toners use science-backed, ancient secrets to repair your scalp, boost shine, and grow thicker, longer hair, faster than you ever thought possible. Let's reveal the truth your hair truly needs. 1. Fenugreek plus kalonji plus vitamin E oil toner. Fenugreek isn't just rich in protein. It contains trigonelline, a unique alkaloid that rebuilds damaged hair shaft linings and activates dormant hair roots. Kalonji, black seeds, has thymoquinone, a compound proven in medical studies to block scalp inflammation markers, the hidden cause of chronic hair fall. Add just a few drops of vitamin E oil. It doesn't just moisturize, it neutralizes free radicals that destroy hair stem cells in the follicles. Ingredients: fenugreek seeds 1 tablespoon. Kalonji, black seeds, 1 tablespoon. Water 2 cups. Vitamin E capsule 1 capsule, or 5 drops. Preparation: add fenugreek and kalonji seeds to 2 cups of water. Boil for 10 to 12 minutes on low flame until it reduces to 1 cup. Let it cool down completely. Strain the mixture using a fine cloth or strainer. Add 1 vitamin E capsule and mix well. Pour into a clean spray bottle. Use. Spray on scalp at night. Massage gently. No need to rinse. Store in fridge, up to 5 to 6 days. 2. Rosemary plus cloves plus rosemary essential oil toner. Rosemary leaves aren't just hair herbs. They mimic the action of minoxidil by inhibiting DHT buildup at the root level, without side effects. Cloves contain eugenol, which improves scalp blood flow twice as effectively as peppermint, and also fights fungal overgrowth like dandruff. Add 3 to 4 drops of rosemary essential oil. It contains carnosic acid, which wakes up sleeping hair follicles and restarts their life cycle. Ingredients: dried rosemary 1 tablespoon. Cloves 1 teaspoon. Water 2 cups. Rosemary essential oil 3 to 4 drops. Add rosemary and cloves to 2 cups water. Boil on low for 10 to 15 minutes. Cool completely, then strain. Add 3 to 4 drops of rosemary essential oil and shake well. Fill into a spray bottle. Use. Spray after washing hair, or use on dry scalp daily. Store in fridge, up to 7 days. 3. Fermented rice water plus fenugreek plus lavender oil toner. Fermented rice water is rich in inositol, a unique sugar molecule that literally fills in hair cracks from the inside out and reduces friction by 70%. Fenugreek, in fermentation, releases natural nicotinic acid, vitamin B3, a key nutrient that boosts keratin production and follicle anchoring. Lavender oil reduces cortisol levels in the scalp, which is a hidden root cause of stress-related shedding. Ingredients: rice 2 tablespoons, any type, water 2 cups. Fenugreek seeds 1 teaspoon, lavender essential oil 3 drops. Wash rice and soak it in 2 cups water for 24 hours in a covered jar, not airtight, at room temperature. Add 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds into the same water. After 24 hours, strain the liquid. Add 3 drops lavender oil and shake well. Use. Spray before oiling or shampoo. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Store in fridge. Max 5 days due to fermentation. 4. Onion juice plus ginger juice plus peppermint oil toner. Onion juice isn't just sulfur-rich. It also contains quercetin, a flavonoid that reduces autoimmune responses that lead to bald spots, like alopecia areata. Ginger juice boosts insulin-like growth factors, IGFs, in the scalp, speeding up new hair growth by triggering phase transition from rest to growth. Just 5 drops of peppermint oil trigger the cold receptors in the scalp, increasing blood flow by 40% in just 15 minutes. Ingredients: onion 1 medium, grated and juiced. Ginger 1 inch piece, grated and juiced. Rose water 1/2 cup. Optional for dilution. Peppermint essential oil 2 drops. Extract juice from grated onion and ginger. Mix both juices with 1/2 cup rose water, optional but recommended to reduce smell. Add 2 drops peppermint oil and stir well. Pour into spray bottle. Use. Apply on bald, thin areas 3 times a week. Leave for 30 minutes before washing. Store in fridge, 3 to 4 days max. 5. Moringa plus curry leaves plus hibiscus plus aloe vera plus tea tree oil toner. Moringa leaves contain zinc, iron, and 46 antioxidants. This rare combo activates hair matrix cells, which are responsible for hair diameter and volume. Curry leaves are rich in beta-carotene and amino acids that improve melanin production, reducing premature graying naturally. Hibiscus flowers are loaded with natural AHAs, alpha-hydroxy acids, that exfoliate the scalp gently, allowing other nutrients to absorb better. Aloe vera gives natural mucopolysaccharides, which bind moisture into the hair cuticle, perfect for dull or dehydrated strands. Tea tree oil disinfects the scalp at the follicular level, removing buildup and bacteria that block growth. Ingredients: fresh moringa leaves 10 to 12, curry leaves 8 to 10, hibiscus flowers 2 fresh or 1 tablespoon dried, aloe vera gel 1 tablespoon, fresh or store-bought, tea tree oil 3 drops. Water 2 cups. Preparation: boil moringa, curry leaves, and hibiscus flowers in 2 cups water for 10 minutes. Strain the mixture when cool. Add 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel and 3 drops tea tree oil. Mix well and pour into spray bottle. Use 2 times a week as a scalp toner. Can also be used post-shampoo. Store in fridge, 5 to 6 days. Always shake bottle before use, especially oil-added ones. Apply on clean scalp for better absorption. Always patch test before full use. If mold or foul smell develops, discard and make fresh batch. Now it's your turn. Pick the toner that fits your hair need, spray consistently, and watch the transformation. No oils, no greasiness, just pure, powerful botanicals that your scalp craves. If you found this helpful, don't forget to share it with someone struggling with hair issues. Your hair journey just got easier. Thank you for watching.